Hi everyone! We have just received our new Cameo 4 Plus in the mail today. It takes a while to get it, but it's here finally. And let's open it up! So we have the power cable. And the cutting mat. It's another cable, power cable. So here's our Cameo tree that we currently have. Let's see the difference. As you can see, it's got two storage compartments here, and then it's got the LCD screen as well with all the menu and the automatic plate, and it's got some storage, two storages as well. So this is the Cameo tree. So you can see the comparison Cameo 4 Plus with Cameo 3. It's definitely a lot slimmer, but in terms of height it's a lot thicker, and Cameo 3 is probably slimmer, but it's a lot wider, I think, in comparison to the new one. So I'm just going to set it up. So just open the cover. And then put the automatic plate. So let's just press start on the side. And here we are. It's working alright. Got to light up our TV screen there. Now let's see if we can start doing our first cut. So I'm going to do the first test run. I'm going to cut this small piece of vinyl. So I'll put the vinyl there and just press up. And we'll see if you're having difficulty to connect to the computer or to your laptop. Go to the icon below here, click on it, and then it should appear in there. and then it will say ready. And once it's finished, you just press the done button, and now it's the next one. Thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully this video can be useful in setting up your Cameo 4 or Cameo 4 Plus, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.